host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to put products on sale in Shopify. For example, you can see this product right here. It displays the sales badge and you can see the original price was $1,500 and the sales price is $1,000. I'll be showing you how to quickly display this. The first thing you will need to do is go onto your admin page. So you're going to go to your Shopify admin page. Then you're going to tap on products from the left hand menu option. After selecting products, you're going to select the product that you would like to put on sale. Once you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you will see the option to add two prices. So you can first add the price that you are giving the sale off or the discount off. So you can see right here, I have added 1,500 and the price that I'm selling it for at the moment is $1,000. So you'll enter that price right there. You can also enter the cost price, meaning the price that you're either getting it for or the price that your supplier is giving you it for right here. So for example, let's say I were getting it for $700. I could type that in right there and only you will be able to see this. So you'll be able to see the profit that you are making right here. So you can see that my profit would be $300 and my profit margin would be 30%. And I could tap on save in the top right hand corner. After tapping on save, you can tap on preview in the top right hand corner and you can see how it looks. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.